Guys, so today we're going to crank up Papa's 65 C10. We're not going to drive it, but we're just going to crank it. And battery cables. We put new battery cables on there. He's just checking the brake fluid. Here we go. Bit cold today. Almost. There it is. It's cold. I mean, it's real cold. It's moodier than the formals are. How cold is it? How cold is it? Uh-oh. Got one. Well, that's a picture. Well, guys, here shortly, probably next year. Look at here. Got a tool in my hand finally. After September, when I was cleaning the spark plugs on super on the A. Been a minute since you guys seen me fix something. So I didn't get to see me fix it today, but that'll be all fixed here soon. So what's that go to?
What?
What does that go to?
Ground of some kind, I don't know what. I don't think necessary.
Not on it today. Too bad the heater, that thing right there don't work. That's the only downfall about this truck. Boy, this thing's been everywhere. That's a cab right where Papa's hood is. That's a cab for this thing. Man, this thing's been to Missouri, been to Alabama, been down Orangeburg many a times. The truck's been around. It's been around a little while. Oh man, Lord knows where else it's been. Gauges look good. These look good. it's getting warm. You want it from here to about here. Right there at 190. The original fuel gauge, it's still working. It's the pedometer works, it jiggles though. Lights work, windshield wipers. Half of them are still here. But yeah. The old C10 step side from 65. You know where the tanks were? Behind the seat. No, really, behind the seat. Yeah. Nice clean truck. Yeah, it sure does. It's got some miles on it, don't it? Like that one right there. That Silverado, it's got some miles on it too. How's the transmission fluid look?
It needs some.
So we won't be able to drive it. Clean, straight door, don't have to weld on it. Have to fix some rust spots. But yeah, down there's a rust-free truck. What I need to do is get a bed for it. What we need to do is get a bed for it. We got that all ready to go. Mustang fenders, Mustang bumpers, and the tractor seat back here. There's the old handy dandy. What's the word? That's it. The old handy dandy, old school measuring. I made a C10, that was your base model, like the pickup, and then C20, C30, C40. When you're getting into the 40s, you got, it's like your dually, 40, 50, 60, 70, all over your big stuff. So, same way with the Ford, you got your F100. That's 200, that's 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Man, that truck looks so good. Oh wow, y'all check this out. Look, the C's right here, H, E. You can hardly see it. There's the V, R. The old horn. The old-fashioned horn. showing you guys, and I'll keep walking around it. We had a leak with the radiator one time, and Papa put pepper in the radiator, like salt, like black pepper. And let me tell you, yes, it worked. It worked. I was sneezing there for a minute, but it worked. Stopped the leak too, didn't it, Papa? Old timer. It was leaking right there. It stopped. Boy, was it strong. I mean, it was real strong for me. But it worked. Here soon, y'all, I'm looking at a piece of tape that's on the headlight. That's it. Here shortly, you guys will see some shorts on this thing. Soon, so I don't know when, but I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it right here. So get back here and let y'all listen to it one more time. And I'll see you y'all later. See y'all in what's today? Thursday. See what the weather's like tomorrow. I'll probably do another video. So stay tuned for that.